Welcome to this Identity Access video tutorial on companies and departments. In this video, we will demonstrate the benefits of creating companies and departments within Identity Access and assigning them to either employees, visitors, or contractors. Allocating your users to companies and departments helps you to create meaningful access reports, filtering out irrelevant data when running on Access Log Report in Identity Access. So, let's now look how to set this up. In Identity Access, click on the Management tab, then select Companies. Click on the green plus symbol to add a new company and give it a name. Next, click on the green plus symbol to create a department within this company and click on Accept. Now that we've created a new company and department, we can assign it to an employee, visitor, or contractor. Click on the Employees icon and edit an employee by either right-clicking and selecting Edit or double-clicking on the employee. On the right-hand side of the Employee Properties window, you will see the Company field and the Department fields. Select the company and department we created earlier and click Accept to save changes. To run an access report on a specific company or department, click on the Reporting tab and then select Access Log. From the drop-down menus, select the required information you would like to report on. In this example, we will display all the logs from the start of today and then select our company and department and click on Execute. The Access Log report now shows us all the access log information from the start of today, just for one specific department. Using companies and departments is also beneficial when using the Fire Roll Call reporting. The Fire Roll Call report is printed out in the company order, so this can be distributed to the relevant fire wardens of each company within a shared office, for example. This concludes our tutorial on how to add companies and departments in Identity Access software. For more information, please contact support@controlsoft.com.